Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. We're going to talk about Binance Coin today because it's surged up so much. We're going to look at the surge and also why it can go much higher than now. And it's probably even likely that it goes much higher than now. Surged to an all-time high today of $148. And that's up from like 30-something dollars only a month ago. Record high trading volume and new offerings from Binance are a few of the factors behind Binance's coin hitting a new all-time high at $148. Now, part of that obviously is due to the Bitcoin rise, but that's not all because most other coins haven't surged all that much in a month, not the big ones anyways. Binance does look poised. It could go as high as number 3 on the list of cryptocurrencies, bypassing perhaps even ADA, which has been surging a lot lately itself. One of the reasons obviously is because Binance volume is actually up. It's like record-breaking volume right now. Obviously, because Binance Coin is used to reduce fees when trading on the Binance platform, the more traders there are, the more demand directly for BNB there will actually be. So more people are going to hold BNB. So obviously, the massive trading volume is going to continue to rise as Bitcoin continues to rise. So the higher Bitcoin gets, the higher the market gets, the more trading volume there will be, and the higher BNB coin will actually get. So there's a direct correlation onto that. Obviously, as more people come into the trading market, Binance is going to be one of the Binance and Binance.us are going to be some of the first exchanges they get exposure to. And with the surging volume, almost certainly Binance will actually increase. I believe that Binance itself can get to several $100s, if not $1,000, when they keep burning their coins. Remember, Binance is a company. Each time they have a profit, they do buy back some of the coins and then burn them, thus reducing the supply, thus increasing the price of each BNB. So remember, they're going to reduce the supply to about 100 million, which is probably like a little more than half of what it is right now. So you can keep on betting that Binance is going to increase. Now, the second reason is because of DeFi. Binance does have DeFi integration. It has PancakeSwap, I believe, and the ability to earn cake definitely has given it an edge. Since 2020, centralized exchanges have been ceding market share to decentralized finance protocols, which offered users access to newly launched tokens and high APY returns for providing liquidity. However, that's not a problem for Binance because it has a DEX. It has Binance Smart Chain as well, and it's much more efficient and doesn't have the fees of Ethereum while providing some of the DeFi functionality. So it could honestly be, along with Polkadot, Cardano, a lot of these others, Binance is ready to go right now and has been going for a while, and it can actually take away some market share from Ethereum too, especially in the realm of DeFi. To make up for this loss of market share, Binance incorporated new DeFi components, including the creation of Binance DEX, which supports a few interoperability-focused DeFi projects. So you can actually trade these on Binance. Binance also increased the number of tokens available on its staking platform, and the exchange raised the interest rates for each token to encourage investors to stay on the exchange instead of chasing yields at SushiSwap and Uniswap. So like instead of people switching over and chasing pumps, they actually increased the rates to encourage investors to stay on Binance itself. BNB plays a role in fee settlement and transfers. It also has new listings and partnerships. They've not been shy about quickly listing new projects from the DeFi sector, and these listings often spark a sharp increase in trading volume. And this is stuff like other exchanges like Coinbase don't have. I can't say the same for Binance.us because of US regulations, but for international traders, Binance is the place to be because they list a lot of new coins. Binance, I don't really know where they're physically headquartered, and that's always been kind of sketchy, but they can actually list a ton of new DeFi projects and people will like to trade on them. And there's like centralized exchanges will always have advantages over just the decentralized exchanges as well. Because like to me, a lot of DEXs feel really clunky. And centralized exchanges, unless they're going down because there's too many people, feel a lot smoother to me, honestly. While I've used both, I think like when I can, I still prefer centralized exchanges. And because like a lot of DEXs are actually Ethereum based, the fees are just awful right now. For example, when Uniswap and SushiSwap burst onto the scene and threatened to take some of Binance's trading volume, the exchange countered by listing both Uni and Sushi and many of the projects that were attracting investors' attention, so they were actually being bought and sold on Binance. Several prominent DeFi projects were initially launched on Binance Launchpad, which is another attraction. I think holding BNB also gives you in-ways into that Launchpad. The in-house token launch platform that helps blockchain projects raise funds and more projects being added on a regular basis. Projects like Kava, which operates on Cosmos blockchain, and Venus, which operates on Binance chain, were incubated on Binance Launchpad and have since become established DeFi projects that continue to gain momentum. So like they have their own DeFi network as well. So Binance is like in terms of adoption and actual projects on the chain, it's ahead of the other main nets, and there's a lot of actual use on the chain. Plus, there's actual use on the coin, and basically, I'm pretty sure that volumes will keep rising. So BNB, even though it has its like local ups and downs, I think is almost as sure as any coin to go up in the months to come. So Binance probably can get to like $500, especially with a continued burn of coins. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.